Today we're going to focus on the central tendencies. Yesterday we talked about one of the central tendencies, that was the mode. Today what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the mean and the median. And these are considered the three central tendencies. The mean is when we add up all the data and then we divide it by however many numbers there are. The median, what we do is we put the numbers in order and then we find the middle number. That's if you have an odd amount of data. If you have an even amount of data, there's two middle numbers. And so what we do is we add them up and divide by 2 because of two numbers. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a dot plot for the given data. We're going to find the mean and the median, and then we're going to compare the shape of the dot plot with the mean and the median. Looking at letter A, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the numbers in order. So we're going to make a dot plot, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to put a dot at 3. We're going to put a dot at 4. We're going to put 3 dots at 5, a dot at 6, and a dot at 7. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find the mean and the median. I'm going to find the median first, and the median, remember, is the middle number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces of data, so the middle number would be 5. So that means that our median is equal to 5. Now the mean, what I'm going to do is add up the numbers. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. And I'm going to divide it by how many numbers there are. There are 7 numbers. So I'm going to add up the numbers. 3 plus 4 plus 5, that of course is 15, plus 6 and 7 gives us 35 over 7, which is 5. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the relationship between our dot plot and our mean and the median. And one thing that we notice is that our mean and the median are the same. And our mean is equal to the median, when the shape is approximately symmetric. If you remember from yesterday, our dot plot, when it's in the middle and it's symmetric on both sides, that would be approximately symmetric or symmetric. Whenever we have a symmetric distribution, our mean and median are going to be the same or almost the same. So that's our first example. Now for the second one, for letter B, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the numbers in order. So when I put the numbers in order, I have 1, 1, 1. I have 2, 2. I have 3 and 4, 5, and 6 and 7. Let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means that I have two middle numbers. It would be the 2 and the 3. So that means that in order to find my median, I'm going to add up the 2 plus 3. I'm going to divide it by 2. And that right there gives me 2.5. Now I'm going to look for the mean. I'm going to add up all the numbers. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. I'm going to divide it by the 10 numbers. And when I add it up, I get 32 over 10, which is the same thing as 3 and a fifth. Now let's look at our dot plot. We're going to start with 1, and we're going to end with 7. If you're looking at it, we have 3 1s, we have 2 2s, we have a 3, 4, a 5, a 6, and a 7. If you remember from last time, whenever it's spread out on the right-hand side, that's called skewed right. So when our mean is greater than our median, when the shape is skewed right. So there's basically 3 different answers. One we have right here, when the mean and the median are the same, when the shape is approximately symmetric. The other one is the mean is greater than the median when the shape is skewed right. And you could probably guess what our third one is. The mean is less than the median when the shape is skewed left.